What is good, YouTube? It's Traded by E-Man here, and in this video we're gonna go over another weekly recap of what happened this week, all the high points, all the low points, all the blown accounts, all the different trades I took. And yeah, before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe. I want to thank you for almost getting me to 70 subscribers. We're still on the road to 100 subscribers right now, and if you want to see any other video from me, comment it down below, and let's get started. So the first trade I took was on CAD, and before I even get into the trades, I want to say that I did end up blowing my account as a simple mirror of I wasn't paying attention to how much I had left. I wasn't aware of how much I had left, which is definitely my fault because I should have paid way more attention to how much I should be risking per trade. So I definitely over risked and I over traded. As you can see here, I took 3 trades in one day, even though I did end up closing 2 of these positions earlier, and I did this exact same thing. I took 2 buys when I could have stayed in 1 buy for that trade, and let's see what happens. So in this trade, I had the right idea but at the wrong time, because as you can see, price did end up retracing and going up clearly, but it was the time when I was looking at the chart where I should have thought to take sells, because after I drew this trend line, after I took this trade, it's clearly in a downtrend and even marked by this fib. That's why I got in with this fib. I didn't think it was going to get all the way to the 61, but I should have waited for an entry signal. And I feel like that's another reason why I blew this account, because I wasn't paying attention to my trading plan, because in my trading plan it clearly states I have to wait for 4-hour confirmations, and as you can see, there's no confirmation for me to take a buy right now. I should be taking sells right now. That's what the confirmations are showing. Until we have this reversal right here, then I could be able to take buys all the way to the 27, because as you can see here, it went smoothly all the way to the 27 after we got this doji right here, and then this bullish engulfing candle, engulfing this candle and this candle, and to make that makes a morning star pattern right here. And then this is where you would think to take a buy, because then you would have had the confirmation and you would have had the more confidence to get in the trade, knowing that the direction is reversing. So that was the first trade I took, and it was relative to this trade that I took, if I can find it, oh yeah, right here. If I go down to a lower time frame, I took sells when I should have been taking buys, because as you can see, we're in a clear uptrend, and I don't know why I decided to take buys, because I think what was going through my mind was it wasn't even anything to do with the chart. It was just me personally and my speculation, which is pretty irrelevant because price doesn't care what you think is gonna happen. It'll still do whatever it wants to, and right now it's in a clear uptrend, as you can see from right here, from this point all the way, and we can keep going. I'll draw a better trend line later, but yeah, there was no reason for me to take buys when we're in a clear uptrend. And again, once you go to the 4-hour, we see we broke this consolidation, and there's no signs for me to take sells, no sign of reversal at all on this chart. So yeah, I'm not going to take any more prop firm challenges because I blew 3 right now, until I could get my consistency with me following my trading plan and taking good quality setups that make sense. I'm gonna hold on any more challenges, and instead of trading prop firm, I started a demo account on MetaTrader just to help myself get better at trading and prove to myself that I can be profitable, and then switch to real trading on an actual account when I'm able to. And that should be in a couple weeks from now, when I should be able to be old enough to trade on a real account. But for now, I'm just doing demo account with MetaTrader. And the first trade I took on that was this right here, which was a way better setup, because not only did I follow the trend, which you can see right here, we got low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, all the way to the 27 extension where I took my first profit. That was a good trade, I'd say, because I had multiple confluences to get in this trade, which is the EMA, blue being over the red, this consolidation break, and having the fib play out after we got this retracement. And I was able to, I took a partial as well here, and then I took the rest out here because I saw it was coming down. So I thought I might as well just close for the day and call it. So that was the first trade I took. The second trade I took was pretty sad because I had the right idea and the trend being a downtrend, but market ended up getting liquidity and I was a part of that, and then it kept pushing in my direction even lower than the area that I had it at. So two things I feel like I could do to make this happen in the future is either one, move my stop loss above this area, because until it passes this area it's still a downtrend because this is the high that was created and anything below it is going to be a lower high. So I either should have done that or just waited till we got to the 61 extension again, because in this market anything could happen and I should know that because I've been trading for a while. And I'm not going to put a time limit on how long it takes me to get profitable, because in trading that's something I learned not to do from some of my mentors. They always say that you don't put a time limit on trading because then that'll only just make you unmotivated and make you more frustrated with trading, eventually leading to you quitting trading, which is something we all don't want. We all want to make it in this game. And in order to do that, we have to learn from our mistakes, fix anything that we're doing wrong, and take trades that we know make sense. And me taking a sell here did make sense, but I either one should have changed my stop loss, my entry point, and that would have been a way better trade because I had the right idea. So that was that trade. And the last trade I took was here on UJ. And this is another case of me not waiting for 4-hour confirmations, because as you can see right here, we didn't break this support on the 4-hour, and everything that was here on this wick, it was just noise. Like on the 15-minute when we broke, this is all just noise. It respected this support on the higher time frames, and I didn't check the higher time frames, which was my fault, and I'm taking responsibility and accountability for all my mistakes, because they're mistakes I shouldn't really be making. Because we all know that when we have a doji, it's a sign of reversal, especially one like this, when it's holding this support on the 4-hour. We know that the 4-hour time frame is one of the strongest time frames, as it is a higher time frame than the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, and even 1 minute. And from when I was back testing back in December, I used the 4-hour time frame to gauge everything, and I didn't use it here, which I don't know why I didn't. I guess my mind wasn't thinking about it. But now, since I realize now, I'm going to be heavily emphasizing it a lot more. And yeah, we can see the support here, meaning I should be looking for buys, not sells, because there's no entry signal, sell entry signal for any sells. Because right here we even have a morning star, because we have bearish candle, the wick, this doji candle, and then bullish candle, and then it came up, and then CPI or some news ended up bringing it down, but it still respected this support right here. So that is mainly what happened this week. And another thing I'm going to start doing is journaling, because since the last time I was back testing, as you can see here in December, I was back testing every day. I have more written on actual paper, but this is the journal I started when I was doing online. As we can see, let me see right here, this is demo, but this was long time ago. Not long time ago, but a couple months before. Like as you see, some of these entries, like some of the same mistakes happening because of me not having a stop loss that's sensible. I lost out on this trade, but that was before, and I did make note of every trade that I took this week. And that's one thing I have to start doing, because all the profitable day traders and all the profitable traders say the exact same thing. You have to journal all your trades, because if you don't journal your trades, you're not going to know what you did wrong. And if you don't know what you did wrong, you're just gonna keep making the same mistakes. So my problems are that I didn't follow my trading plan, and I'm still entering a little bit too early on every position I'm taking because I'm not waiting for those 4-hour entry signals. So that's what I'm gonna be looking to do now, and I'll put a screenshot right here for all the trades I took on MetaTrader 5 on my phone, and those are all the trades that I took this week. This is the start of a new beginning, as I have to lock in and make sure that I'm not making these mistakes while I'm trading on the demo account. And that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's hit that goal of 100 subscribers sometime soon, maybe by the end of April. And let's see if we get this video to 2 likes. And yeah, this is E-Man signing off, and remember, slow motion is better than no motion. Take care.